Welcome back to All Things Probing, where in this video we will be demonstrating how to set a work offset using the Renishaw Inspection Plus Point at angle probing cycle for any angled single surface features. This will be a multi-video training tutorial series covering all things probing. We will go through both the basic and advanced features of Mastercam probing and the probe operation on your machine, so make sure to follow along, like, and subscribe as we dive in. To begin, we can open up our sample part in Mastercam. For this example, we'll need to move the origin to the angled wall feature, so that way everything will match up. In order to do this, I'll make a duplicate of an existing plane and move our Mastercam origin. We can now click on the Cycle Probing icon located on our Probing tab and go to the Workpiece Datum category. We are going to start with the point at angle cycle. The workflow will be identical to our previous cycles, and because I had already selected a probe, we can bypass this and enter an operation comment. If you do not already have a probe defined, please watch our video tutorial on how to define a probe. Next, we'll click on the Cycle tab, followed by right-clicking in the Geometry section. You will notice that in this cycle, we have the option to select our geometry from points. This can either be wireframe and/or solid endpoints. Once we do so, probing is associated to that geometry, and we can start defining additional parameters for this probe path. We will set this up similar to our 0.1 axis probing cycle, by setting our measuring axis to X and the direction to positive. We can then define the angle in which we wish to offset the probe motion relative to the current measuring axis and direction in order to probe perpendicular to the surface. We can then define the measuring height by simply typing in a number, use the right mouse button menu and selecting Z coordinate of a point, or using the center mouse wheel to scroll up or down, as this will increase or decrease the value. I will set mine to a positive 0.250. I will then set my safety distance to a positive 0.250, as this will be the height in which the probe will stand off the surface and begin its probing cycle. Lastly will be my clearance height, which is the height that the probe will rapid to, from, and in between cycles. Now that we have the basic values input, you can see a visual of the probe path on the screen and can adjust any of the other values to get live updated feedback. We can set the over travel distance if we wish, as this will allow the probe to travel past the expected coordinate without alarming out, along with the work offset number that we are currently using and wish to update. In this example, we'll use G154P10. You also have an option to print data, which would print out a probing report based on your machine's I/O channel and parameters. We can also shift the work offset by a certain value by using the datum setpoint options. You will notice a suppress probe on/off and a measurement result checkbox. The suppress probe on/off will keep the probe turned on while it's probing in between cycles. It can be set per operation. Measurement result will allow you to copy the probe's results into specific variables on your CNC controller so they can be referenced later. This is especially important because the standard variables that Renishaw writes into are constantly being overwritten per probing cycle. The feature-to-feature option will be covered in its own tutorial. Once you check out of the cycle, you can simulate it within Backplot, Verify, or Machine Simulation and see how it looks. You'll notice that the cycle probes at the defined point and angle, finding the reference surface position, and setting it as my new origin location. Now let's post the code to see how it looks, and how it would run on the machine. Looking at the Renishaw Inspection Plus code for our Haas mill, you will notice that the program is nice and short and makes the code very easy to read. As we go through, you will find the probe on and off commands. The probe's protected safety moves in order to approach and retract from the part safely, along with the point at angle cycle. Next will be our Q value, which defines the over travel distance, along with the S number, which is the work offset number that we are updating on the machine. We then will see the actual and deviation results, which are being copied into the user-defined variable numbers, so we can display the results on the control or use them later. All this information can be referenced in the Renishaw Inspection Plus manual. We hope that you have found this video beneficial. For further information, questions, or to request a free 30-day trial of Mastercam probing, please visit mastercam.com. Thanks for watching.